Hello and welcome again to this lesson. We're going to study ion formation. This is a Form 2 chemistry work. My name is Locho and let's start. So atom usually gains stability by either gaining or losing electrons. Okay, so those with the electrons configuration of 2 to 2 to 2, then 28, 288 are said to be stable since they have the maximum number of electrons in their outermost energy level. Okay, for instance, sodium, its atomic number is 11, hence it has 11 electrons, and therefore the electron configuration will be 281. Okay, now therefore it can either lose one electron to become 8, that's electron configuration, or gain 7 electrons to acquire a stable electronic configuration. However, it's easier to lose 1 electron than to gain 7 electrons because it requires very little energy. The resulting sodium particle will now have 10 electrons in the energy level, while the nucleus still have 11 protons. So this gives the sodium particle to have positive charge, i.e. 10 negative charge plus 11 protons, giving it a positive number, and 11 positive charges. So we give it a positive charge because now we have more number of protons than electrons, because it has lost 1 electron, and therefore the particle formed is a sodium ion, is represented as sodium with a positive charge here, and this is how it has happened. So the outermost energy level was lost, and then it has remained with 2 energy level, and therefore sodium, he initially was having 281, but after losing 1 electron and becoming an ion, it becomes 28. So it can also be represented by sodium, showing that, and also that for magnesium, positive charge and then losing 1 electron. So another example where we are gaining electrons is chlorine, and it has atomic number 17, hence 17 electrons, right? And therefore the electronic configuration will be 287. Therefore it can either gain 1 electron or lose 7 electrons to become a stable. It's easier to gain 1 electron than lose 7 electrons, and therefore the resulting chlorine particle will require electron arrangement of 288, and this means that it will have 18 electrons, while the nucleus will still have 17 electrons. Okay, hence 18 negatively charged electrons and 17 positively charged electrons, protons, give the chlorine particle a net charge of -1. So i.e. we have this particular diagram here where chlorine is losing 1 electron, right, and therefore having the outermost energy level being full, right? And for example, here we have 287, sorry, supposed to be 7 and not 8, and then here it's supposed to be 288, meaning that the outermost energy level is now full. So we can also represent it in terms of equation, where we indicate that chlorine has gained 1 electron to form this particular ion, or oxygen has gained 2 electrons to form that particular ion. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up you'll be helping me to reach more students who want this kind of information. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next lesson.